Yeah, it was like I hit a big jump and I ended up crashing and I like got a concussion, broke my neck and broke a bunch of teeth in my inside, and they were like fractured and messed up and it was painful, so I got them all extracted. It took my time. I was just trying to find the right dentist, and it all kind of came together with these people. I didn't believe that. Like going into it, I just didn't see how, because everyone else was like, you go in, you get fitted or whatnot, and it's a 6-month procedure, you know, or whatnot. So I was kind of hesitant on that part. I was like, is this for reals? Like, you know, until I got here and they explained it, and yeah, it worked out well. Like, it was much better going with the shorter time, you know. I mean, you're in and out, and you have your teeth in within the weekend, you know, within 2 days. It hurt so bad before that the recovery for me wasn't painful at all. It was just like almost instantly I felt better, you know. It was comfortable to eat. I couldn't eat the right foods I wanted to eat. I mean, just everyday pain, just sitting on. All I would focus on was my teeth and how bad they hurt, and yeah, it was bad to the point where like it made me want to cry, like sit and cry, you know. And I've broken so many bones. I've broken 20-something ribs, punctured lungs, broken wrist, collarbones, and nothing was like my teeth, the pain. And these people extracted them all, took them all out, and it instantly I had way more energy, way more strength. I feel like a brand new person, like literally, like, yeah, it changed my life, literally. Yeah. I felt like so sluggish and felt like my heart and everything was like being restricted, you know, like from like just teeth is like your health is like bad teeth is like can cause so many other problems, underlying problems, you know what I mean? If you don't have your teeth right, it's bad. So getting them right was important, and it feels good, and it looks good, and I'm happy. So I would like not smile or like hide my teeth, you know, and so it opened up a brand new, you know, world again to me where I'm like smiling and happy, and I can like. You know, I mean, I was the king of hiding my missing tooth here by you know, going like this or not smiling, or, you know, it affected me literally all day. What I would think about was my teeth, whether it was pain or the aesthetics of it, my looks, and that's not even a thought anymore. You know what I mean? So anyone who's thinking about doing it, these people are the best. You're gonna get the best care, the best love. They are by far the best. So yeah, it's an investment, right? So I mean, back to your health and your looks and everything. For me, it was well worth it. You know what I mean? There's no money that I wouldn't have spent to get my mouth and my smile right within my means of being able to. You know, and they helped me with that part of it too, you know, by far the cheapest and by far the best. So to me it was a big relief finding them, and the price was a relief too, because it was a lot less than anywhere else.
What were other places telling you?
Oh, double, triple, 60 to 100,000. Yeah, price, I swear. Yeah, you go to Clear Choice, and it's just it's 60 grand. They're not going to work with you. It's like 60 grand. This is what it is, and it's really cookie cutter, and you're not going to get that love, you know, that intimate, like they care about you. You're just walking in there, and it's just a number, you know. I don't feel that way here. So. It was awesome. I feel blessed.